Look at this puzzle. In 1985, a motorist bought 24 liters of fuel and 5 liters of oil for $10.70, while another motorist bought 18 liters of fuel and 10 liters of oil for $12.40. Find the cost of 1 liter of fuel and 1 liter of oil at this garage. This feels like a lot of data, but it's just a simple shopping story. Let's break down the logic. How do we tackle a word problem without getting overwhelmed? We identify our unknowns and translate the shopping list into a mathematical balance. We have two hidden costs to track: the price of a single liter of fuel and the price of a single liter of oil. Let's choose our variables. To avoid dealing with annoying decimal points from the dollars, we can work purely in cents. Let the cost of 1 liter of fuel be X cents. And let the cost of 1 liter of oil be Y cents. Now, let's translate the first motorist's receipt. They bought 24 liters of fuel and 5 liters of oil for $10.70. In cents, that total is 1,070. So, our first statement is, 24x plus 5y equals 1070. Let's look at the second motorist's receipt. They bought 18 liters of fuel and 10 liters of oil for $12.40, which translates to 1,240 cents. Our second statement is, 18x plus 10y equals 1240. You know our system now. Let's label the equations so that the working is made clear. We stamp the first line as equation 1, and the second line as equation 2. This keeps our mathematical workspace completely organized. We want to use the elimination method to cancel out an unknown. Look closely at the y coefficients. We have a 5y on top and a 10y on the bottom. If we multiply equation 1 by 2, our y variables will match perfectly at 10y. Let's execute the plan. Multiply equation 1 by 2. Every single term on this line gets doubled. 2 times 24x is 48x, plus 2 times 5y is 10y, equals 2 times 1070 is 2140. Because this is a brand new, scaled-up equation, we give it a fresh identity and label it equation 3. Now we are ready to perform our elimination. Let's look at what we've built. We subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Let's line them up perfectly. Equation 3 is on top, and equation 2 sits directly underneath it. Look at those matching 10y terms. Let's perform the subtraction column by column. 48x minus 18x equals 30x. Next, 10y minus 10y is 0, it is completely eliminated. Finally, 2140 minus 1240 equals 900. Our clean line is 30x equals 900. To isolate x, we just divide both sides by 30. 900 divided by 30 gives us 30. Look at how clean that is. X equals 30. This means 1 liter of fuel costs exactly 30 cents. Now that we know the price of fuel, let's hunt for the price of oil. We substitute our value of x equals 30 back into our very first equation, 24x plus 5y equals 1070. Let's solve it step by step. 24 times 30 equals 720. So our equation reads 720 plus 5y equals 1070. Subtract 720 from both sides to get 5y equals 350. Divide by 5, and we get y equals 70. 1 liter of oil costs 70 cents. Stop guessing and start visualizing your algebra word problems with flawless structural logic. Hit that subscribe button right now, turn on notifications, and come hang out for your daily conceptual breakthroughs at my Brainy Cave.